tried my hardest to cover up my eyebrows. It didn't do a very good job of it. But we are going to be coloring them over anyway, so it's okay. I still feel like I look like a freak. So let's just finish this look, okay? that is it, you guys. This is my Michael Myers inspired look. I tried my hardest to get it as close to the mask as possible, which was really, really hard to do, honestly. And I think the look looks a lot better with my eyes closed because clearly then you can see the eye sockets of the mask. And I think this is really, really cool. Anybody could really do this. It was really easy. It just took me a while to do, mainly because of the eyebrows, which honestly I didn't even have to do. I probably could have done this look without blocking out my eyebrows. But it made the look work, if that makes sense. Like, I'm kind of digging this eyebrow shape. You know, this one's kind of funky doing its own thing, but this one's just like, hey, hello, yo. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please hit that like button. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions on this look. We are almost to Halloween, you guys. I probably should have saved the Halloween Michael Myers inspired look for Halloween, but it's okay. I have something else planned. So if you guys like this video, please let me know down below. Do me a favor, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to join the hashtag Butterfly Squad, make sure you ring my bell because that way you'll be notified every time I upload the videos, and uploads are very, very sporadic right now. I've been doing pretty good about uploading every Saturday, give or take. I think actually I've been like on point uploading on Saturdays, so plus point for me. I really, really hope I can get back to my Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule soon. Probably not until after my externship. But I am going to get back into streaming soon. I cannot wait. Hopefully my externship will be at the nearby location, not the hour away location, because in that way I can come home, film, stream, whatever, you know. I will probably do a lot more hangout chit-chat streams than gaming streams, just because it'll be a little bit easier and it'll be funner, I think, to really interact that way since I'm not doing my video uploads. Yeah. Let me know down below, do you guys want to see game streams or hangout streams? So yeah, I'm gonna get going. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, I wish you guys lots of love and whiskers, or as I'm saying, zombie hearts and bat wings. So I hope you guys have a great evening and a spooky night, and I will see you next time. Love you. Bye.